Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table saws under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee 2736T1 HD Table Saw. The Milwaukee 2736T1 HD comes equipped with an all-metal blade lift handle, which is great because it offers 14 turns for fully extending the blade to your desired height. This tool is fitted with a unique bevel scale that can be adjusted up to 47 degrees, and it has a really nice contrast that makes it easier to see. I really appreciate the inclusion of the rack and pinion fence system, considering how smooth and easy it is to dial in the length you are looking for. But the thing is, the saw may not come properly calibrated out of the box. It might need a 1/8 inch fence adjustment on both contact points. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt DWE7485 Compact Table Saw. The DeWalt DWE7485 is the most compact and portable table saw and offers the best performance in its class. On this model, DeWalt has shrunk the table and the blade, which is great because the ratio of the table and blade size are perfectly matched for added safety. The saw is fitted with a state-of-the-art rack and pinion design that allows you to accurately adjust the fence using the dual scale system. The blade adjustment wheel and handle are ergonomically designed for easy turning when lifting or lowering the blade. The blade angle lever adjusts smoothly up to 45 degrees. My major problem with the compact design is the small-sized blade, which can really limit what you can cut with this amazing tool. And the fact that it doesn't come with a stand. At number 3, we have the Skilsaw SPT99-11 Worm Drive Table Saw. The Skilsaw SPT99-11 Worm Drive Table Saw is engineered to provide the maximum torque you need for cutting through 4x projects and any other ripping application. The first impressive part of this tool is the heavy-duty rolling stand with 2 large rugged wheels, which provides added portability, ease of transportation, and versatility. It is operated by a larger 15-amp dual-field motor that is able to dissipate heat more competently, ensuring that it runs cooler and efficiently. Another great feature is the rack and pinion fence system, which, as you all know, provides easy, accurate height adjustments and keeps the fence parallel to the blade. The cutting performance is remarkable, but the main problem lies with the fence locking mechanism. It may bend on some models, making the fence useless. At number 2, we have the DeWalt DCS7485T1 Table Saw. The DeWalt DCS7485T1 is engineered to be both highly portable and cordless. It is operated by a brushless motor that is powered by a 60-volt Li-ion battery. The DeWalt DCS7485T1 features a brushless motor that is powered by the FlexVolt 60 volts battery, which delivers superior cutting performance while running cool. The saw comes with a telescoping rip fence that clips onto the rails and it extends out 24 inches from the blade. The fence is also fitted with a flip-over ledge for supporting wide workpieces. Another great feature is the 8-1/4 inch blade, which is super thin to help extend battery runtime when cutting at different angles. But the thing is, you may receive the tool without a battery pack, which is supposed to be included. Also, the table saw is sold without a stand. And finally at number 1, we have the Makita 2785 Contractor Table Saw. The Makita 2785 is powered by a 15-amp motor, which is a great feature because it is capable of delivering a whopping 4,800 revolutions per minute. It has a precision machined tabletop with a strong right extension that allows for a superior cutting capacity for ripping 4x8 feet plywood sheets. Another good feature is the adjustable dual side guards, which make it easier for you to measure from the blade to the fence for precise cutting setups. But the thing is, if dust gets into the table saw, getting true angle measurements will be a big problem. The saw may not square with the fence at 45 degrees.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.